Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change listening modes for your headphones Sony XM6. You have to start by open Sony SoundConnect application, and if you add your headphones to the application you will see the same menu as I am. Now, at the second line we have listening mode. So we can change it right here. Also you can tap on it, change it right here in this menu, or you can scroll down, go to device settings, and right here we also have listening mode, so you just tap on it and you will see the same menu. Now right here we have three modes: standard one, background, music and cinema. Standard is a balanced sound for all content, and what the best one that you can use equalizer and DSE extreme with this mod, because you cannot use it with the background music and cinema. Now background music, it soften focus, creating ambient coffee distance, and it's something for relaxed listening. And right here we have we can set distance settings, so you need to open this menu and you just firstly you need to select this mode, and then right here we click at the distance, and we have three presets: my room, living room and cafe. Choose the best one for you, and we have a cinema, the third preset, and it expands audio into 360 degrees. So also I recommend it to try it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.